Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will teach you how to play guitar for basic. It is easy to playing guitar, but not too easy because I learned guitar about 1 year, but I don't have some progress, the big progress, because I don't have a guitar. This is not my guitar. This is my friend guitar. So if you want to learn guitar, I think you should buy it from anywhere. So first one, for me, I learned guitar. I learned about one song because guitar have many chords. So I learned one song about one song. Just if I want to sing it, I learn about the chord. My favorite song is Imagination. Like this. Oh, there she goes again. Every morning is the same. I'll come back. Like this, like you know it. How to playing the what is that? Imagination from Shawn Mendes. You just play like this is A minor. You can see at the Google. A minor is in the chord like this. It's 2, 4, and 3. In fret 1 is 1. Is in fret 1 is 5. In fret 2 is 4. It's 3 and 4. So, now there she goes again. Every morning is the same. So you turn it to F. F is F4 still in fret 5, and then in fret 4, 2, and 4, and 3. In fret 1, 2, 3. So in A, and then you go to G. C. C is 1. In fret 1 is 1, fret 2 is 3, fret 3 is 2. And then you go to F. F is just fret 1, in fret 2 you put the 2 snare, I don't know about it, and then in fret 3 you put but in 1 like this, and then your little finger you put it in 6, the under. So you just do that. A, F, C, G. Oh, there she goes again. Every morning is the same. You walk on by my house. I wanna call your name. I wanna tell you how beautiful you are from where I'm standing. You got me thinking what we could be, 'cause I keep craving you. Don't know it, but it's true. Can't get my mouth to say the words they wanna say to you. This is typical of love. Like this. If you want to learn about guitar, you can see at the YouTube or anywhere. But you just learn the basic. If you can do it easy, you can learn about the, I don't know in English, but in Indonesia we call it kunci gantung. Like this. Your point finger do the like this. Don't put it just, I don't know, like this. I have one song with the I can do that because my finger is sick. Okay, thank you.